Bonjour tout le monde, comment ça va? Welcome to French class. Today we are going to learn about the verb faire. Faire means to do or to make. So here's the conjugation of faire in the present tense. Je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, on fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. So as you notice here, the final S here is silent. Je fais, tu fais. So we don't hear S. Je fais, tu fais. The final T is also silent. Il fait, elle fait, on fait. The S here is also silent. Nous faisons, vous faites, also silent. And the T here is silent. Ils font, elles font. So you would use faire, for example, when you want to ask, qu'est-ce que tu fais pendant ton temps libre? What do you usually do during your free time? And then the person will answer using not necessarily the verb faire. The person will say, during my free time, I like to watch TV. Pendant mon temps libre, j'aime regarder la télé. So you also have expression with faire that you can use to answer this question, for example. So here are a few expressions with the verb faire. So first, you will use faire that doesn't mean to do or to make, but when you talk about the weather. For example, if you want to ask, what is the weather like today? You will use faire. Quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui? Quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui? And let's say the weather is really nice. You will say, il fait très beau. If it's not nice, il fait mauvais. Ou it's cold, il fait froid. Or it is hot, il fait chaud. Donc, il fait chaud. It is hot. Il fait froid. It is cold. Il ne fait pas beau. Hein? It is not really nice. Il fait mauvais. It's bad weather. Mauvais. So you would use faire. That doesn't mean to do or to make, for example, when you talk about the weather in those instances. But then you will also use faire in a number of expressions and many expressions actually when you want to talk about sports and activities, usually outdoor activities, but not only. For example, you already know faire ses devoirs here, to do one's homework. Je fais mes devoirs tous les soirs. I do my homework every night, every evening. But you also use faire for yoga. To do yoga, je fais du yoga. Faire du yoga. Faire du jogging. Faire de la musculation. To work out and to mean really to lift weights here at the gym. Faire de l'escalade. Faire de la natation. To swim, but to swim as an exercise, because to swim leisurely at the beach, you will use nager. So here, really to go to the pool and exercise and swim. Faire du patin, to go skating. Du patin sur glace, ice skating. Faire du jardinage, to garden. Faire du vélo, to go bike riding. Faire du ski, to go skiing. Faire une promenade. Faire une promenade. To take a walk. Faire une randonnée. To go on a hike. And faire des courses. To run errands. You will notice here in those expressions here, you will use this partitive article. So, faire du yoga, really it means de plus le. Faire du yoga. Faire du jogging, faire de la musculation, etc., etc. We'll see that later. But as you see here in the question, qu'est-ce que tu fais normalement le week-end ou qu'est-ce que tu fais pendant ton temps libre? You can say, pendant mon temps libre, j'aime faire du yoga. ou pendant mon temps libre, je fais du yoga. During my free time, I do yoga, etc., etc. So in those instances, you will use faire in your questions and answer. So voilà, I hope it helps. Merci beaucoup, and I'll see you in the next video. Au revoir.